video, I'll be showing you how you can install VS Code onto your machine. And for this case, it is because it is the one that I use. It is the code editor that I use most of the time when I'm programming. So to start installing VS Code onto your machine, you should use your web browser to download the VS Code. Yeah? So go to your web browser. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to open it, Microsoft Edge. It is there. So I'm going to search for VS Code. I'm going to search for VS Code download for Windows. Okay, so let us first wait for it to search. So after searching, this is the results that we get. Okay, so we should scroll down here and look for VS Code. This one, code.virtualstudio.com. Yeah? So let us click on this link there. So let us wait for it to load. Okay, let us give it some time. Let us wait, can't reach this site. Okay, let us first wait. Okay, it has loaded. So after loading, here we can see download Virtual Studio Code. So our platform here, we are using Windows. So I'm going to download for Windows. So I'm going to click this button. So thank you for downloading VS Code. So it should start downloading here. Let us first wait. My network is very low, so let us wait. Let us give it some time. Yeah, it has started. So in this case, for me, I'm going to pause it because I've already downloaded it on my machine. So I'm going to pause. I'm not going to complete the downloading process. So I'm going to pause. So after pausing, we should go and see whether we have Virtual Studio Code installed, Virtual Studio Code downloaded. So to get it, let us go back, see where it has been installed. So we should click right here we should click here to see where the downloads go. So let us click there. So after clicking there, we should come here and search here. After downloading, you have to first finish the download process, and after downloading, you should follow this. You should click the other icon that I told you to reach here, and you should search for VS Code. You can only even search for, you can search the full name Virtual Studio Code, like that, and it should appear here. And after appearing there, in my case it is not appearing because I've not completed the download process, so I should wait for it to download. So, and after downloading, it should appear here. It should appear, and after appearing on your side, you should double click on it to start the installation process. And after installing, you should come here. You should here in the search, or you can press the Windows button and you search for virtual VS Code. So search for VS Code like that, and it should appear like this. It should appear here, and after appearing, click on it. You press enter, and after pressing enter, so it should be taken to this window. The window should open. This VS Code window should open up, and after opening up, there are some extensions that you will need throughout the programming process. Okay, throughout our programming process. So these are the extensions that you will need. You will need these extensions like let me make another video about getting the right extensions that we will need in the next video. So in this video, we have downloaded VS Code and installed it on our machine. So thank you for doing that, and you are about to start your programming.